Okay, so we are going to review a little bit on how to make an assembly in Inventor. So first things first, when you open it up, we're going to start a new file, an assembly right here, or if you already had it open, you can go File, New, and Assembly. That works too. So either way. Once it gets opened up, it'll take a minute the first time. Maybe more than just a minute. Okay, so what we're going to do here is we're going to place, the first things we're going to do is we're in the assembly file, and we've got to put all the parts in here that we need to use. So I'm going to say place, and I'm going to say the top one right there, place, and it should take me to folders right here so I can find where all my parts are. I'm going to put this one together right here. It's a pretty simple one, so I'll say open, and I can click and right click and say OK. So that's going to drop in just this sample car. Kind of looks like Lightning McQueen a little bit. So I'm missing my axles and my tires. So I'm going to go up here and say place again, and I put those in another folder. I've got my standard car wheels. Most of you are going to be using the BSA wheels. These are the ones that are Boy Scouts of America. Standard Pinewood Derby car wheels. I'm going to place this here, 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 and here. Right click OK. Then I also want to add in my axles. So I'm going to say place, and I want the 1-inch axle open. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Right click OK. So now I've got these wheels floating around in space with their axles. What I'm going to do for each of these is I'm going to insert these axles into the wheel. So I'm going to go up here to constrain, say insert. I'm going to zoom in, so I'm kind of looking underneath this just a little, and I want to click right there, so kind of where the flange meets the shaft there. So I'm going to click that, and I'm going to click right here. Notice mine's upside down. If that happens to you, just flip it over like this, flip, and then click apply. So there's the first one. I'll do this again for the second. I'm going to click right there and right here. That's good. Click apply. Then I'll go right here and right here, like that. Click apply, and then I'll do the very last one. So this is the fourth wheel. I'll go up here and right there and right here. I'll click apply. Sweet. So we've got those 4 wheels ready to go. Now I can put those wheels into the car. So I'm going to go up here and I'm going to click this part we've got to be careful about. I'm going to click right there. So kind of where on the tire, where that rim is. Then I'm going to come in right there and go boom, like that. Notice mine's flipped around backwards. I just flip this right here for the solution and click apply. And then I just repeat this for the other 3. So click there and there. And if it's backwards, you just flip this and click OK. Click that spot, rotate so I can see the other side. Click right here. Beautiful. Click right here and right there. Apply. Awesome. And there you go. So once I've got that, I should have all my parts in there nice and constrained. And that's pretty much it. So there's that part. So I just hit File, Save, and I'm going to save this somewhere I can find it again. Desktop, 3D Derby, sample car, and I'll call this Ka-Chow. Oh my gosh, I don't know how to spell like a chow. We're just going to say McQueen. There we go. Save. All right, so once we've got that saved, next thing we want to do is, or actually no, we just close out. So once you've got your assembly, that is awesome. So you can save, close it, and you're good.